Hey traders, quick update on Bitcoin from an Ichimoku cloud chart perspective. In the last update we were on about, and Bitcoin was still in a bull trend, uptrend, because price action below the bottom in the cloud is bullish. We've now subsequently sliced through this critical cloud chart level, and that's changed the outlook from bullish to bearish. Price action is now below the cloud in Bitcoin. So for Bitcoin to go back into a bullish phase, it will need to regain support back above the bottom in the cloud, at 54,000. So that's kind of the line in the sand to change the outlook from the current bearish back to bullish. That's an absolute critical level. The old support lows here came back into favor. The bottom in the cloud here, as well as this level here, you can see that's also a key support zone for Bitcoin. So there's a short-term swing trade back up to the bottom in the cloud if support comes in at these levels. But looking at the candlestick, looks like there's a fair bit of support at the length of the candlesticks there. So there's a short-term swing trade back up to the bottom in the cloud, but we do need to see price action above the top end of the cloud there for it to be bullish. So this is a counter trend trade, so to speak. If we look at the 4-hour chart, let's go there quickly. 4-hour chart. You can see slice through the bottom in the cloud here. That changed the outlook from bullish to bearish on a 4-hour chart. And then we had these old levels here, these old lows to deal with as a potential rebound. So we're not out the woods. Bitcoin is now bearish on 4-hour, bearish on daily. And the only thing that is still bullish on is the weekly chart. But there we are quite extended. From an Ichimoku cloud chart perspective, we just look at the distance between the price action and the top end of the cloud. So the downside risk here, if I can just move this, it's not scrolling. There you go. The front end of the cloud, there we go. These are key levels to watch out for, as well as this standard line of the cloud should catch up with 44,000 and these lows here. So watch out for that low 45,604, as well as that level to come in as key support zones. But the negative, quite a negative price action, and outlook is bearish now since price action is below the cloud. From the more aggressive short-term traders, you could swing trade this back up the bottom end of the cloud, but do be aware we are trading counter trend. So far, a little bit of disappointing price action in Bitcoin. But nevertheless, we'll stick to what the clouds are telling us. Price action below the cloud is bearish, and we're looking for a rally back above the cloud to change our outlook to bullish. Until next time, happy cloud.